Safety Wash is a safe-to-use ink wash for your sink, dip tank, or recirculating tank. Its pleasant citrus scent helps break down the ink's cohesiveness, making it easier to remove from the screen. This process causes the ink to separate from the chemistry, keeping Safety Wash cleaner and more effective for longer use before replenishment. Always wear safety goggles and gloves to protect your skin from dryness and irritation due to prolonged exposure. Other brands use diluents that dissolve the ink, and most are highly flammable, which can result in polluted chemistry, making it more difficult to recycle or effectively use in a dip tank. Safety Wash is highly effective on Plastisol, UV, and mild solvent inks. Its low evaporation rate and powerful ink removal properties make it ideal for use in A.W.T's DuraTank closed-loop filtration system. Safety Wash can be applied in various ways in the sink. You can use a cleaning rag or a soft bristle brush to gently remove the ink. Rinse the screen with water and allow it to dry on the screen rack when done. Always clean smarter, not harder, with Safety Wash.